How to fix the Valorant error that says this version of Vanguard requires the Windows 20H1 or later Van 9006. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be fixing this error in the Valorant, so let's get started. The Van 9006 error shows the message that says this version of the Vanguard requires the Windows 20H1 or later and may not function as expected. This problem causes the anti-cheat software to not work properly and resulting in the game malfunctioning or leaving you vulnerable to the potential cheaters. So talking about fixing the Valorant Van 9006 error, you can do either of the two things. The first one is updating the Windows to 20H1 or later, and here's how you can do this. First of all, you have to go and click on the Start button to open the menu and then click on Settings. Now click on Update and Security option. From here, click on the Windows Update and check for updates. And next thing you can do is verify the Windows version compatibility. To verify the version compatibility of Windows, first of all, open the Settings menu using Windows plus I, or simply click on the Start button and go to Windows. Then go to the System tab. From here, click on About, that is just below the optional features in the left bottom of the screen. Click on it. You will find the details such as edition and the version here. If they do not match the requirements, you would have to upgrade your system. Another thing you can do is reinstall the Valorant and Vanguard. This is a tried and tested method that tends to solve problems such as the Van 9006 and Van 9001, considering all the things are the way they are supposed to be. Glitches or bugs in the program that can cause the issues such as the Valorant Van 9006 error. So uninstalling and reinstalling the software irons out these issues. You can also contact the official Riot Games support. If all else fails, you should contact the game's customer support and they will provide directions on what can be done and what cannot be. So this was all about it. This is how you can fix the error in Valorant that says this version of the Vanguard requires the Windows 20H1 or later Van 9006. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials.